How's it going, guys? So, Skyline update and car yard update. Skyline's here. We weren't able to film getting it here, but that's okay. She's here now on jack stands. Had the wheels painted. Haven't put them on yet. And we're taking the rotors off, front and off the back, so that we can get them measured, so that we can get new rotors ordered. Put new terminals on for now, so that we can hook it up to the new battery, start it, run it. Put the pod filter out of the BRZ in here, because the one in here fits better in the BRZ. This one flows better in here. Did a little bit of bumper repair, so the bumper holds on until we can get the new one ordered. And then a bit of exciting news. We've ordered some new wheels for it already, so you'll get to see what those are. Hopefully they'll be here in the next couple of weeks. And then we have the nav in the shed finally. Taken the workman canopy off the back of it. Getting ready to put a few more things on. So we'll have some updates of that in the future. And then as you probably just sneaky seen in the corner, we got some wheels for the BRZ. 700 bucks instead of 2,500 with wheels all ready to go on. So we'll put them on later. And then as you can tell, we're missing a couple cars. So we ended up selling the Subaru Forester probably about 2 weeks ago, and then a week ago we sold my VE to my best mate's girlfriend. Wife, sorry. So insert video here or here somewhere of them leaving. Broke my heart a little bit to see them go, but we had to get rid of them so that we could keep doing more projects with the cars. Hence, new wheels and building Skyline. So we only paid about $3,000 for it. We got it off one of my partner's work friends. It's not too bad. It's got some hail damage, as you can tell. Just a few spots. I'm not sure if it's showing up on the camera. Using the GoPro, it's not all that good. But yeah, for $3,000 I'm quite happy, especially with the parts that it's got in it. We got it for a bit of a steal. So we'll just do a few more things to it. We've got wheels and other things like that on the way. I'm sure I've said, or I'll say again in the video. So we will go through a few things that the car's got and that the car needs. Starting with just a few caps, things like that need replacing. Got to replace the old HKS grounding kit there. They're starting to fall apart, as you can see, and they're getting old and starting to discolor. We've got to get new terminals, put new terminals on it, because these ones are not for this car. As you can tell, I've just jerry-rigged it up so that we could get it running. We'll start it in this video. We have, we'll go from the top, not that you can really see it on this side, some MCA streetwise coilovers. Them suckers in there. It's also got Megan Racing upper control arms. Not much else going on the front end. Down to the back, same. MCA Essential Series, Street Essential Series, sorry. Also got some Megan Racing lower toe arms. All the sticker goodies. Radiation inspected. Upgraded front headlights, which is quite awesome because I didn't want to have to do them. They're a pain in the ass. Got the HKS seat covers on. Onto the interior. That is trashed, as you can tell, and someone stuck a little magnetic thingy to it. Thanks for that. So we're going to pull that out and put a new one in. We've got to find a surround for that. I've been looking. They are expensive. A few rips, things like that, but mostly the interior is pretty good. Alrighty, let's start it. And before we start it, hey buddy, You come to say hello, have you? Good old Mr. Oscar the Shed Dog. But before we start it, I think we have a Mugen exhaust. I'm not entirely sure, I've got to do some more research into that. We'll set the camera up and we'll give it a start. We won't really have to tighten them down for now. They'll be just right to sit on there. Sounds like a VQ. This one's 2003 model DE. Doesn't run too bad. Definitely needs a service. All the liquid's done. Now we're going to go and knock off the last brake rotor at the rear there on the Skyline, get them measured up and get them ordered. So hopefully they'll be on their way by the time the wheels get here, and then we can put everything on, get it roadworthy, get it on the road, start driving, and then we can get the nav here down to DC motors, get a diag balance so we know exactly what's going wrong with the internals, get that fixed so we can get this on the road and start doing some four-wheel driving adventures. Let's get into it. Mine's Wakizashi. You can't call that Sally like a Subaru. It needs to be like, suck it up.